Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Right, Lamai, model paper number 2.
Good evening,
Right,
sir.
good evening. Right, let's start. First 5 questions, I will give you a few minutes to first to do. Right, Lamai, just try to do first 5 questions. Right, first 5 questions. Within 5 minutes, you will have to complete. Please turn on cameras, right? You can turn on cameras having your paper on the screen even, or otherwise using 2 devices. Or anyhow, you can turn on camera. Right? It must, okay?
Sir, when we are looking the paper, can't on the camera.
Is it difficult? I think then you can separately open the paper and minimize the zoom hit, no? You try to do so, then otherwise okay. Try to do then with the same device you can do both. Try. First 5 question, okay.
Sir,
Yes.
I don't have the paper.
Sweta, aren't you inside a group? Are you online?
Sir, I joined yesterday.
You joined yesterday, right? Yesterday,
Yes.
then you are from.
I didn't get the tune to.
Who is that? Hajir, is it? Right. Then from which institute are you coming? Headway or Germany?
Bangalore.
Sweta from Germany.
Yes.
Sweta, you send me a message. You
Sir,
send.
I send.
Uh-huh. Then still you are not inside the group?
No.
No, no. Okay, please send me a WhatsApp message, Harya. Ikman tewa na WhatsApp message ka. Mangwa tewa.
Okay, sir.
අනිත් එකවත් එවන්න මට ටියුට් සම්මු නැතේ පේපර් එක හම්බුනේ නැතේ පර්සනල් මැසේජ් එකක් කරන්න මම දාන්න you try only first 5 question කැමරා එක වැඩ කරන ටේබල් එකට ફોකස් කරගන්න වැඩ කරනවා කියලා පේන්න ඕන right
So I don't have the paper right. So shall I write in book?
okay you write in the book it doesn't matter on the paper itself, nobody can write by thing because just few seconds ago I sent you the paper. Therefore, it doesn't matter. Use a
Do I
separate
have to
paper.
write down those questions?
No need to write down those questions. No need.
Okay.
In a different paper, then you can write the answers. All right, first question. 73.568. 1. Round off to the nearest second decimal place. To round off to the nearest second decimal place, we must keep only 2 decimal places. Because of that, we have to remove the number 8. Is number 8 a higher digit or low digit? 8 can a higher digit එකක්ද low digit එකක්ද? Higher digit එක. ඒ higher digit එකක් කියන්න ඕන බලන්න. On your number line, you have 10 numbers. You have 10 numbers, right? 9 numbers, including 0, there are 10 numbers. First 5 numbers are considered as low digits, low numbers. And final 5 numbers are considered as high numbers, high values. When you remove a high digit, beginning from 5, 6, 7, 8 onwards, right? Then generally you have to add the 1. Add 1 to the neighbor number. Neighboring number is 6 now, right? Close number is 6. Therefore, 1 is added to 6. What is 6 now? 7. Because of 8 high digit. Okay. Okay. If this 8 without 8, if you have had like number 403, what will happen? You have to just remove 403 without adding, because low digits can't affect. Right. Second one, round off to the nearest whole number. The same number to the nearest whole number. Right. To the nearest whole number means is that 73 or 74?
74.
74. Because this is even 73.5. 5 is the number. Is 5 a high digit or low digit? High digit. 5. Therefore, there is an effect to the close number. Therefore, 73, no, it is 74. 73 becoming 74. Second question. There are identical beads. 4 are reds. 4 red beads. 3 yellow beads. Right? And 5 blue colors. Right? A bead is taken out randomly. Find the probability of getting a first one, getting a red bead, second one getting a blue bead. Probability of getting a red bead. First question. So totally how many beads are there? 4 and 3, 7. 7 and 5. There are 12 number of beads. Right? When you are going to pick a bead from that, right? To be in a red bead, what will happen? How many red beads are asking you to get it? 4 beads. 4.
12 out of 1.
Yes, 4 upon 12. 4 over 12. 4 chances for being a red one. There are 4 chances. Then after that, red beads 4 red beads 4 කෑ ගන්න මෝගන්න. එතකොට එකක් ඉන්නේ chances 4ක් තියෙනවා. 4 out of 12. To be in the blue one, blue ඒවා කීයට chance තියෙනවා? 5 out of
5 over 12.
5 over 12. Right. And third question. Right, third question. 5a minus 3 over 6. 3a plus 2 over 6. Okay. Right, Lamai. Now, what is the answer? How to get it? This question is from algebraic fraction. Do you know? Because these are algebraic fraction. Right? Are they having equal denominators or different denominators? Equal denominators. When you have equal denominators, you can lock the denominator. Keep one denominator instead of the 6. 6 is the same. Right? By locking these denominators, you can simplify numerators. Numerator doesn't change. 5a minus 3 is 5a minus 3. Minus 2a plus 2. You have to subtract 2ao, 2o both. You have to subtract 3ao, 2o both. Right? Because of the two numbers, 3a and 2 should be subtracted together, we have to keep a bracket. Now, remove the bracket, having this 5a and minus 3. Now you can remove the bracket. Minus into 3, minus into plus, minus into plus, minus, it is 3a. Minus into plus again, minus 2. But don't forget, the denominator locked 6. The common denominator, same denominator is 6. Okay, on this 6, you have to do everything. Now, you have to combine the like terms. Looking at the numerator, upside, 5a and 3a are like. But these 5a are positive 5a. 3a are negative 5a. Sorry, negative 3a. Therefore, what is the majority? Negative the varying in positive the. Positive varying in. And what is the answer? 5a, 3a. 3a from 5a, 2a, 2a, 2a. As they can minus 3, minus 2. After having 2a, yes, now you can merge. Minus 3, minus 2. Minus 3, minus 2. What is this? Minus 3, minus 2?
Minus 5.
Minus 5. Minus 5 over 6. This is the answer, algebraic fraction. There can be some students, when I ask minus 3, minus 2, who got plus 5 or something, or there's plus 6, or there's plus 5. That's wrong. Why? There isn't a multiplication. They suppose minus into minus. That case, minus into minus multiplied by minus is plus. Is there a multiplication symbol between this that? No multiplication. Behind minus 3 there's a minus 2. ගෑනු ළමයි තුන් දෙනෙක් ඊට පස්සේ තවත් ගෑනු ළමයි දෙන්නෙක් ඉන්නවා. ඔක්කොම ගෑනු ළමයි පස් දෙනයි. ගෑනු කැන්සිය 5යි. ඔච්චරයි. හැබැයි -3 into -2. What's the answer? අන්න එක තමයි පටල ගන්න දැන්. කියන්නේ. අන්න එක හරි. minus into minus into plus
Plus 6.
3 times 2 6. Right? Without a multiplication symbol, don't think like minus minus. වැරදි. Right? -3 behind -2 totally there are -5 again. -5 තමයි total එක -5. That's why I got -5. Right? Over 6. Okay, that's all. Right? Don't go to cut 2 and 6 because numerator there is an expression, denominator there is a single term. You can't cut. That's all. Okay, මේ question එකක් කරන්න තනියම බලන්න. Hey. Okay. Write down this one. Okay, do it now. Right? What's the answer you got? Right? 4 is log because common denominator. Right? You can write x plus 5. Lamai, should you subtract 3 or 2x or both? Both. To indicate that you are going to subtract both, you have to keep a bracket. Therefore, 3 minus 2x. Okay. And you have to add this number 1 in the numerator. Right. And you have to remove the bracket x plus 5 minus 3 because minus into plus minus. And minus into minus plus 2x and this natural plus 1. The bracket is now closed. After that, don't think minus into plus as minus. Bracket close minus I can right. Okay, lamai over 4. Right. What are the like terms that you can see? X and 2x. They are positive. Positive 2x, positive x. How many positive x?
3.
3x. 3x. Okay. And positive 5, negative 3. What's the answer? 2. 3 from 5 to 2 and this one
3.
3 over 4.
4.
Over 4. Okay. This answer is enough. If you want to get an attractive answer, 3x and 3, because of 3x, 3, you can take 3 as a factor. Therefore, x, because 3 times x, and how many 3 times 4? 3, 1. Factor එකක් ගන්නවා කියන්නේ මේ ඔක්කොම 3 ගෙන් divide කරන්න. 3 of x, 3 times 1 over 4. මේ දෙකෙන් ඕනම answer එකක් පිළිගන්න. accept කරනවා. මේකත් හරි, මේක ලස්සනයි. එච්චරයි වෙනස. දෙකම හරි. Right? Okay, question number 4. Right. It's a bearing problem. Bearing of B from A is 120. Okay, keep listening. Stop your work. Bearing of B from A. Because of from A is 120. From A means through this A, you have to draw north line. It's that already given. By supporting it, by means of this north line, you have to rotate, right, clockwise to find the 120 until you get the connection line between A and B. That is the bearing of B from A. The bearing is an angle. Bearing is an angle from with respect to the north, but bearing of B from A. The angle made at A, right, with respect to north until B is the bearing 120. Okay, what is the question asked? Find the bearing of A from B. Bearing of A now from B. Listen me, from B. Because of from B, right, with respect to north, you have to rotate clockwise. ඔරලෝසුවේ කට්ට කරගෙන පැත්තට. ඔරලෝසුවේ කට්ට කරගෙන පැත්තට. ඔරලෝසුවේ කට්ට මෙහෙම කරගෙනවා. ඔය කරගෙන පැත්තට angle එක ගන්න bearing of A from B. This is the angle. Right? ඔරලෝසුවේ කට්ට කරගෙන clockwise කියන්නේ ඒක. Right? This is the bearing. Bearing is an angle. Bearing of A from B. Okay, how can I find this angle? To find this angle, you must know, lamai, because of this shape gets U shape, otherwise C shape, there are allied angles. Do you know allied angles? What's happened? What is allied angles? When they are a pair of parallel lines, what's happened when they are allied angles?
So you can find the angle 180.
180, very good.
If that,
Sum is 180, very good. Right. Okay. When the sum is 180, 1 is given as 120. To bring 180, 60. Yes, this angle means 60. The method they are known. Now, okay, first step. Now, how can I achieve the angle?
300, 360 minus 60.
Really? Then whole angle around the point is 360, you know it, and by that you have to subtract that found angle 60. Right, this is the bearing of A from B, then 360 minus 60, it is 300 degrees. This is the bearing. Okay, right, bearing of A from B. Bearing of A from Right. Okay. EG. Right. Write down that. Lamai. Find the bearing of A from B. It's my example. Try to find. Find the bearing of A from B. Find.
So do we have to draw it?
Yes, why not? Right. Find the bearing of A from B. What's the angle?
So I got 250.
Very good, Dheeraj. Very good. 250 is the answer.
Thank you, sir.
Right. Who has got 250? Yes, Fasilu.
Sir, I also got 250.
Very good. Very good.
I also got 250.
So I got 250.
Yes, really, very good. Right. Okay, we'll see how we get it. Now, because of the bearing of A from B, please respect for the word called from B. That's when you have to draw a north line. Everybody who got that answer has to draw this north line additionally. Otherwise, wrong. Right? By supporting with this north line only, they have to rotate to the connection line with A from B. This is the angle. Rotate like this, clockwise. But to get this angle, then you have to find the other remaining angle. To get that angle, you will have to use a right angle concept. Right? When the allied angles are there, then allied angles are supplementary. Because north lines are always parallel. Therefore, to bring 180, එකසේ 80 ගන්න නම් එකක් already 70යි. දැන් එකසේ 80 වෙන්න නම් තව ඕනි කීයද? 110. 110 and 70. එතන බලන්න 180. Okay, but that is not the answer. That's additional step. Now you can complete the answer. The bearing of A from B is the question. Therefore, answer is from the 360, you ought to subtract this 110. Right? Now it will be the answer you told, 250, because you know how to subtract and you can do it. Okay. Complete like this. Okay, good. Right. Question number 5. Question number 5. Solve the inequality 3 plus x greater than or equal 5 and represent the solution, the set on the following number line. So the solution set on the following number line. The following number line is given like -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait. Right. Ready. Okay, on the number line you had to represent the set of solution. Right, Lamai. This is the x-axis. Right. Okay, first you have to solve. Lamai. Like an equation only you have to do. There's nothing else. Right? Lamai, x greater than or equal 5, you can bring this positive 3 to the other side. Positive will be now negative. X greater than or equal 3 from 5 is 2. What is your answer? X greater than or equal 2. Okay, the where's the location? Because of 2 mentioned, 2 is the location. On the 2, you have to keep a dot. But more than 2, greater than 2, which directions was that? More than 2. More than 2 means after 2. Then values after 2 are there. Right? You can shade like this. But because of this equal sign, x greater than or equal to, there's another case that can be greater than also equal to 2. Because of equalness, you had to shade inside this dot kept on 2. Like this.
So do you want to color all the numbers greater than 2?
Yes, and one by one, no need to color. Then just making a line segment on the straight line, you can mark it. That's okay. One by one, no need.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So all the numbers can be happen. That's right. Okay, we will just try the next 5 question. 6 to 10. Okay, I will give you 5 minutes to complete. You can do it alone. තනියම කරන්න. දැන් ඉස්සරහට පේපර්ස් කරද්දී ඉක්මනටම ඒක ට්‍රැක් එක මාරු වෙයි. ඔයාලා පේපර් එක කලින් දෙනවා හරියද? සතියකට කලින් දෙනවා. හරිද? දීලා පේපර් එක කරලා මාක්ස් දාලා තමයි ඩිස්කෂන් ගන්න. දැන් තාම ඔයගොල්ලෝ ආව විතරනේ. ඒකයි මේ මෙහෙම ටික ටික කරන්නේ. පේපර් එක විතර ලොකු ඔයාලගේ නැත්තම්. 2 hour paper එකක් කියන්නේ සබ් ක්වෙස්චන් 25ක් එක්ක ප්‍රධාන ක්වෙස්චන් 5ක් එන ස්ටෑන්ඩඩ් එක තමයි ඉස්සරහට එන්නේ. තාම මම ඒක දාන්න යන්නේ නැහැ. තාම ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ පළවෙනි පාඩම කොහොම යන්කෝ චුට්ටක්. right? Okay. Next 5 question you can. From 6, 7. Okay. Grade 10 තාම homework දාලා දිනන දැක්කේ නෑ group එකට. Tudes homework කරන්න ඕන, textbook homework කරන්න ඕන. කරලා mark කරලා දාන්න ඕන tude මට දාන්න එපා group එකට දාන්න. ඒ homework ඔක්කොම check කරනවා අපි correction දාලා එවනවා. Right. Okay, Lamai. Let's continue. Question number 6. Right, be ready. Please stop your work now. Lamai, 12% discount is given from the mark price when selling an electric oven. What is the amount have to pay to buy oven if marked as 9,000? If the mark price is 9,000, right, a discount of 12% is offered. Right. What is the amount have to pay? Idea කරගන්න. Question එක කියවන්න. Question එක කියවලා highlight කරගන්න. The amount have to pay because of the discount. If there's not a discount, we have to pay the mark amount 9,000. Because of the discount, the amount that we have to pay will be a reduced one. Okay, now because of the 12% discount, right, we can find the discount. There are two ways to find the answer. I will remind you with the two ways. The first method, method one, we can find the discount. But no one asks about a discount, but we are finding. The discount from the 9,000 can be calculated as 12 over 100. Because 12% is always 12 over 100. For every percentage, that's how you have to do always. And now you can cancel. And 12 times 9, you know it. What is 12 times 9? 108. Or otherwise 9 times 2, 18. 9 times 1, 9, and that one 0. 10. 108 comes. And don't forget this 0. 1080. Right? This is 1080. Right. Now we can find the amount have to pay. Amount has to pay. Amount has to pay from this 9,000. We have to deduct, we have to reduce this offer discount. 0 from 0, 0. 8 from 10, 2. 0 from this one being now 9. The 0 from 9 is 9. 1 from 8 is 7. It is 7,920. So method 1. Method 2. Right? Method 2 is very attractive. Amount has to pay, we can find without wasting our steps or time. Amount has to pay. Amount has to pay. To find the amount has to pay from this 9,000, because of 12% discount given, right? Ma'am, මෙහෙම කියන්න. ඔක හිතා ගන්න. ළමයිනේ. If the discount is 10%, discount okay. If there's a discount of 50% discount, 50% discount දුන්නා නම් අපි ගෙවන්න ඕනේ කොච්චරද? ඊටු 50% අපි ගෙවන්න ඕනේ. ඒ කියන්නේ මේක නෙගටිව් එක හිතනවා. Right? If there's a 10% discount, discount එක 10% නම් අපි කීයක් ගෙවන්න ඕනේ? දැන් 10% කියලා කියන්න පුළුවන් වගේම, right? ඕකේ අනිත් පැත්ත මොකද්ද? 100% ගේ total එක. Right? මම මෙහෙම කියන්නේ 90% නේ. තේරෙන්නේ නැතිනම් මම මෙහෙම කියන්නේ. බෝඩ් එකක් ගහලා තියෙනවා sale 100% discount කියලා.
We don't have to pay.
100% discount කියලා බෝඩ් එකක් දැක්කොත් ඔයා මොකද කරන්න ඕනේ? කඩේට ගියා, කරේ තියාගත්තා, ආවා. කීයක්වත් ගෙවන්න එපා. 100% discount. ඒ බෝඩ් එක දැක්කොත් මටත් කියන්න. එහෙම දකින්න හම්බෙන්නේ නැහැ. හරිද? හැබැයි තියෙන්නේ නේද 100% discount එක free. හරිද? 100% වරයි යන්න. free. හැබැයි 10% discount දුන්නාම මුදලාලි කපටියා වෙලා අපිව ලපටියා කරලා කොහොමද 10% discount කියලා අපෙන් අය කරනවා කියද්ද 10% කියලා අපෙන් අය කරනවා කියද්ද 90% 100% discount දීලා නේ 20% discount පෙන්නලා අපෙන් අය කරනවා කියද්ද 80% අයියා කරනවා. කපටියා. right? මේ වගේ 30% discount board එකක් දාලා කීයක් අපෙන් charge කරනවද? 70%. තේරුණා නේද? එහෙනම් 50% discount board එක දැම්මොත් අපි 50%. ඒ කියන්නේ රුපියල් 4000ක් නම් 50% board එක 50 කියලා දාලා තියෙනවා. අපි 4000 දෙකන්න 2000ද?
2000.
2000. නේද 4000යි නම් 100% discount එකක් දැම්මොත් මොකද තියෙන්නේ? 4000 ගෙවන්න එපා 4000ක් වේදාගෙන. ඔයා කලින් තියාගන්න එන්න. හරිද 100% discount දැක්කොත්. ඒක ලෝක බුදුනේ දැක්කොත් මට කියන්න. හරිද? right. අද කුණු ගොඩක්වත් 100% discount දාලා දෙන්නේ නැහැ. right. දුන්නොත් කියන්න. right. okay ළමයිනේ ඔන්න ඔකේ කතාව. right. එහෙනම් තේරුණා නේද කතන්දරේ? right. හරි. and discount එක කියමයි. right. 90% discount. 90% discount දුන්නොත් මොකද විදිහට? ඒක නිගේට් එක අනිත් පැත්ත මොකද? 90% 10% චුට්ටක් ගෙවන්න කියලා කියන්නේ. චුට්ටක් ගෙවලා යන්න. එහෙනම් චුට්ටයි ගෙවන්නේ. right. 99% discount දුන්නොත් මොකද කියන්නේ? wow නියමයි. 1% කිය පේ කරා. ඔය දෙකක් හිතන්න. මේ මට අපිට දෙයක් කියන්නද? මේ 200% discount. මම හිතන්නේ ලෝක අනිත් පැත්ත කරගෙන නෙවෙයි. කොහොම discount කියලා බෝඩ් එකක් දැක්කොත් මොකද ඒක? කොහොමද දකින්නේ? 100% දකින්න දුක දකින්න හම්බෙන්නේ නැහැ. right. ඕකේ තේරුම මොකද හොතිපොත්? 200% discount. මොකද ඒ තේරුම? right. ඔය මේ හිතන්න 4000 තමයි item එක. හරි? 200% discount board එකක් ගහලා කඩේ ඉස්සරහ. කරේ තියාගත්ත free මුදලාලිගෙන් 4000ක් ඉල්ල ගන්න අතර. බාණ්ඩෙත් free 4000ක් මුදලාලි අපිට දෙනවා 4000ක් සාක්කුවේ දාගත්ත බාණ්ඩේ කරේ තියාගත්තා. වට්ට benefit ඔක්කොම එයාකින් free අපි දාන්සන. හරිද? සල්ලිත් නොමිලේ බඩුත් නොමිලේ. හරි 200% discount. එහෙම දැක්කොත් මට කියන්න. 100% discount කියන්නේ බාණ්ඩ විතරක් අරන් ඉන්න. තව දුන්නොත් එහෙම එකක් අරන් ඉන්න. තේරෙනවද මේ කතාව? right okay. බබයිනේ. එහෙනම් මෙතන අහන්න. when 12% discount එහෙනම් කපටිය අපි ලපටිය කරලා අපෙන් කොච්චරද charge කරන්නේ? 12% discount. 12% වල අනිත් පැත්ත මොකද්ද? හිමීට කල්පනා කරලා කියන්න.
82
88
88
මේ 100න් 12 අයින් කරලා ගන්න. අනිත් පැත්ත ගන්න නෙමෙයි 88යි එන්නේ. 88%. එහෙනම් එකපාර amount has to pay කියලා ගත්තොත් අපි amount percentage එක තමයි discount percentage එකට වෙන්නේ. හැබැයි amount percentage එක වෙන්නේ 12 ගණන් පැත්ත 88%. percent කියන්නේ percentage 100. okay 88%. right දැන් බලන්න කැල්ක් කරලා උත්තරේ එනවා කියලා. 00 cancel 90 into 88. right ළමයි just forget the 0. 9 times 8 can you take? 9 times 8
72
72. 7 is remaining. Again 9 times 8 72. And this 7 79.
9
And remind this 0. This one.
700
7920. Is that previous answer? Yes.
Yeah.
Pero the discount වලදී discount වෙන්නේ කපනවාද? අපෝ බොරු වැඩ අහලා නැහැ නේ. ඇහුවොත් what is the discount කියලා ඇහුවොත් හොයන්න. ඔයාලා what is the amount has to be paid කොත් ස්ටෙප් දෙකේ යන්න ඒක හරි. But when they ask without discount you do like this. හරි ලේසි මේක. හරි. මම point එක දුන්නානේ ගාල් මතක තියාගන්න. discount මතක තියාගත්තේ 100% discount නැද්ද කියලා අහන්න. දැන් ඔය කඩේක එහෙම Christmas card board ගහලා තිබ්බොත් 100% discount නැද්ද කියලා අහන්න. හැබැයි අත බැඳගෙන තුවාල බැඳගෙන මං ගාවට එන්න එපා. මම දන්නේ නැහැ ඒවල මොකකින් මම පාඩන්නේ නැහැ. මොකද ඒව අහන්න යනවා කියන්නේ බෑරක වැඩක්. 100% discount දෙනවා. right now okay that's the case right abhi आता question है question number 7 और देखा बोलिए क्या right 7th one 6 centimeter 8 centimeter. ABC. Using the given data in the figure, find the length of the side AC. Now, how to find the length of the side AC? What's the theorem?
Pythagoras theorem.
Pythagoras theorem. Reason?
Pythagoras.
Reason එක Pythagoras තමයි. Reason. Right angle triangle. Right angle triangle අරක් කියලා ඉන්නේ. කවුද? Pythagoras. ආචාර්ය Pythagoras. Right. Okay. ළමයිනේ, according to Pythagoras theorem, we can find the remaining distance. When there are two distances, then we can find the other remaining distance. But in order to Pythagoras, always we have to make hypotenuse the alone. Then what is the hypotenuse? The hypotenuse is the side opposite to this 90 degree. 90 opposite එක කවුද? AC. Then I am writing AC square.
Yes.
AC square is equal to the 6 square plus 8
Square
square.
plus
Right? Other two sides squares. Wait a minute, right? 6 square plus 8 square. Square දාන්න මොකද කියන්නේ? නැත්නම් ඉවරයි fail තමයි. 6 square plus 8 square. Okay, what is the square of 6? You know it. 30.
36.
36. 12 හැම කියන්න එපා පොඩි කාලේ හරි. Right, 8 square කියන්නේ 64. 64. 16 හැම කියන්න එපා. මේ භාගයට තමයි ඔය ඉන්නේ එළියට. Right, 64. Right, 64 and 36 කීයද?
100.
100. But still AC is square there. I need AC. To bring AC,
Square root.
Square root of
yes,
100.
square root of 100. Again, square එක අනිත් පැත්තට පනිද්දි square root එනවා. Right. What is the square root of 100?
10.
10.
10.
10. 10.
Good. 10 centimeter. Get it. Question number 8. X 135. Right. Find the value of simple x according to the data given in the diagram. Right. Value of x. Right. We will find. Lamai, value of x is an exterior angle, but there is an inside triangle. Lamai, to find this x value, I think we can use this remaining angle because they are on a straight line.
100.
Yes, 180. From 180, you can remove this 135. එහෙනම් 80 and 35 remove කරගන්න කීයද එන්නේ?
45.
45, very good. 45 ending. Right. Okay. Having written that, you have to remind this way. You know the related theorem. Can you remind the theorem? 50, you told 45, and this x. What's the theorem related to that? What is this?
The addition of two sides are equal to x.
Two angles, sum of two angles, addition of two angles. Ne? Right, good. What's the reason? Reason, this theorem, can you remember the theorem? The exterior angle is equal to the sum of the, sum can addition, the sum of the two interior opposite angles. Then two angles තියෙනවා. Interior ඇතුලේ තියෙන මේ angle එකට opposite angle දෙක. The sum of the two interior opposite angles. Now මේ තියෙන exterior angle මයි adjacent එකට නෙමෙයි sum එක of the two interior opposite. Two interior opposite කවුද? 50 and 45. Then what is x then?
95.
95.
95.
50 plus 45. You can write that. 50 plus 45, it is 95. Right. Okay. Though you got the 95, you better write down the reason. Exterior angle is equal to the sum of the interior to opposite angle. Exterior angle is equal to the sum of the two interior to opposite angle. May diagram එක තමයි දෙන්නේ. ඒක තේරෙනවද? මේකත් ඕනේ නේද? Exterior angle is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. Exterior angle is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. Right, ninth one. There are two boys, three girls. Two boys, three girls in a debate team. What is the probability of a student being a boy for leader of the team? Boy කෙනෙක් team එකේ leader වෙන probability එක අහන්න easy question එක. How many boys? Two chances for boys being a boy, but out of how many students? 5 students. 2 over 5. For boy being the team leader, there are 2 chances out of 5 chances. 2/5 is the question answer. 10th one. X 35. Right? Okay, how to find the value of X? Lamai, keep listening. Lamai, you can write down all the rectangles. Can you see the shape of Z? According to that, this is being 35. Agree or disagree? Because Z shape there. Parallel lines. Now, the sum of the three interior angles in triangle, 180. You can write down X plus, what are the two angles? 90 plus 35 as 180. And find the value of X. What is X? X plus 125 is 180 and X equal 180 minus 125.
55.
55, right? 55.
Yeah.
Okay. Now you better try from the question number 11. 11 to 15. Try करो. 11 to 15. දැන් grade 9 ටික ටික මතක් වෙනවද? දැන් clear වෙනවද නේද? කලින් grade 9 එපා වෙලා හිටියනම් දැන් මොන ටික ටික පණ ගහලා එයි. හරිද? ඉස්සරහට මම papers timing තියන්නේ තාම චුට්ටක් අර අවුස්සල ගන්න එපේ ඔයාලගේ මතකය. තාම සමහර මතකයන් තියා ඉගෙනගෙනත් නැති අය ඉන්න පුළුවන්. නේද? හැමෝම කොට දාගන්න තමයි immediately යන්නේ කොහොමද? right. ගන්න ඊළඟ 5 questions. Right, 11th one. 3 square to the power 4, 3 to the power 5. Now mind, the numerator, there's a power of power. When there's power of power, you have to multiply. What is 2 times 4? 8. Power of power. And denominator same as 3 to the power 5. Now there is a division with equal bases. Right? Then you write down the base first. Base. And subtract the lower index from the upper. 8 minus 5. What's the answer? 3 to the power 3. What is 3 to the power 3? 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 3, 27. That's the answer. And 12th one. Find the sixth term of the number pattern with common term 7n minus 8. The common term we can write as term number n. Term n කියලා ලියන්න පුළුවන්. Term n. Common term, general term. Right. Okay. Then there's a sixth term. Sixth term is a term number 6. Term number 6. Therefore, 7 times 6, term number 6, minus 8. 7 times 6, you know, 42, minus 8. What is 8 from 42? 34. Term 6 is 34. And 13th one. Factorize x square plus 3x minus 28. Factorize. Right. X square plus 3x minus 28. How to factorize? Can you remember this? What is the type of the factors? මොකක්ද මේකේ topic එක මතකද? කියන්න බලන්න. Factors of okay. මේවට කියන්න මොනවද? Factors of මතක් කරලා කියන්න බෑ. තුනට කමන්නේ. Factors of මොකද්ද මේ? Expression. හරි.
Algebraic expressions.
Algebraic උත් තමයි. හරි වැට. හා?
Expression.
Quadratic is the correct one. Very good. Quadratic. Trinomial නිකුත් තමයි. Terms තුනක් තියෙනවා but quadratic. Quadratic outside the මොකද්ද quadratic මට තේරෙන්නේ. මොකක්ද මේ quadratic කතාව? Quadratic. Why this has been a quadratic? And ekona. ළමයි මේ ලෝකේ x square, a square, 5n square power 2 තියෙන algebraic expression එකක් තියෙනවා නම් term එකක් තියෙනවා නම් ඒ expression එක කියනවා quadratic expression එකක් කියලා. This is a quadratic expression. The factors of quadratic expression is the answer. Because of quadratic expression, quadratic square එකක් තියෙන හින්දා අනිවාර්යෙන්ම right, there are two factors at the answer. Right, how to find these two factors? Okay, get this. ළමයි මේ වගේ එකක් එද්දී සාමාන්‍යයෙන් කරන්නේ මේ back number එක පැත්තකට උස්සයි යනවා. back එක පැත්තකට යනවා. back එකේ minus එක ගෙනියන්න හදිස්සි වෙන්න එපා. සමහර pages වල minus එකත් එක්කම අරයි යනවා. මම ගෙනියන්නේ බොහොම සරල පොඩි කෑල්ලක් විතරයි 28 easy. එයාට පොඩ්ඩක් කිති කවනවා. කිති කවද්දී එයාගේ ෆැක්ටර්ස් ටික විසිරෙනවා. කියන්න බලන්න ෆැක්ටර්ස් ටික. 7 times 4, 14 times 2, 28 times 1. Right. දැන් අපි මේකෙන් කරන්නේ මේ mid number එක factors එන විදිහට හතරක් බවට පත් කරනවා. x square and minus 28 are the front and end. But instead of this midterm 3, we have to choose a couple to get this 3. Which couple gives 3?
+7 and -4.
Yes, really, +7 and -4. Okay, without telling plus and minus, they are 7 and 40. 7 and 4. 7 and 4. I am getting only 7 and 4 first. And what is the letter? Algebraic letter x. 7x and 4x. අර කියවනේ plus and minus කියන ඒක ගන්නත් කෙටි ක්‍රමයක් තියෙනවා. Plus and minus ගන්නේ මේ back එක minus නම්. If the back is minus, remember, if the back is minus, the two terms will have plus into minus, so minus into plus. Back එක minus නම් එකක් plus එකක් minus විදිහට කියනවා. එහෙනම් ඔක අනිත් පැත්ත කියන්නේ back එක plus වුණා නම් මේ දෙක plus plus
Minus
or
plus.
minus
Minus plus.
Minus.
minus දෙකක් හරි plus දෙකක් හරි දෙනවා back එක plus වුණා නම්. දැන් මෙලා back එක මක් වෙලාද minus වෙලා. එහෙනම් එන්න ඕනේ plus minus හරි minus plus හරි. එහෙනම් මොකද ගන්න වෙන්නේ? demand එක මෙතන plus ඉල්ලනවා plus 3x හදලා දෙන්න කියලා. demand and supply plus 3 ඉල්ලනවා නම් log කට plus දානවා. sock කට minus දානවා. log එකේ ලොකු එකක්. ලොකු එකට plus දානවා. sock එකේ පොඩි එකක්. පොඩි එකට දානවා minus. එතකොට plus 7x minus 4x simplify කළොත් කොල්ල 7යි කෙල්ල 4යි. අර කොල්ල 3 දෙනා හැදෙනවා. ඒක හරි. දැන් තමයි 2/2 factor කරන්න පුළුවන්. 2/2. එහෙනම් පළවෙනි කපල් එකේ factor එක මොකක්ද?
X bracket x +7.
Yes, x bracket x plus 7 very good. X එක ගද්දී x ගෙන් divide කරන්න. Then only 1x is remaining. Make x එක divide වෙනවා කියන්නේ x එක කැපෙනවා only 7 is remaining. From the next couple, what is the common case? -4. -4. Minus 4.
-4.
Then -4 is taken, x is remain. Minus getting plus. Then how many 4 times?
X +
7.
7.
Then whatever the first expression x plus 7, that must be also x plus 7. Again, then what is the common bracket now? X plus 7, x plus 7. Right? From these two, you can take x plus 7 outside. Now what will be remain?
X -4.
Really, x and this -4 will be remain. These are the two factors. X plus 7, x minus 4. ඔක තව ප්‍රැක්ටිස් කරන්න වෙනවා. බය වෙන්න එපා. ඔක තියෙනවා පාඩම grade 10 වල තියෙනවා. 11 වල තියෙනවා. ඕක විභාගෙට ඔක බැයි නම් ඒකක් ගන්නත් බෑ. හරිද? ඒක 10 12 තව දාලා තියෙන්නේ ඒකයි. ඉස්සරහට උගන්වනවා. දැන්ට හරියට ගන්න තේරෙන විදිහට තේරුම් නැත්නම් ඉවසලා ඉන්න. පාඩම ආය යනවා. Question number 14. Clear? Again, මේ question එක හදලා extra එකක් වෙයි. Sorry, minus and plus I will give. අර තනියම විතර කරා.
the answer.
What's the answer?
I got x minus 5, x minus 3.
Very good. Very good.
Thank you, sir.
You're right. X squared plus 15 first. And take this back number and find the multiples. The factors. What are the factors? 5 and 3, 15 and 1. Which couple is sweet for this? 8x gained enough. 5 and 3. Right?
A plus 3.
Yeah. And x is the letter. Okay, can you remember I gave you a shortcut? When the back term is positive, what are the signs can become? Plus plus or minus minus. Then what is best? Because of minus 8x? Minus minus.
Minus.
Because minus 5x minus 3x only giving minus 8x. මෙතන එහෙම minus minus plus කියලා හිතන්න දානවා. දැම්මට පස්සේ හිතන්න බෑ. දාන්න කලින් plus වෙනකොට නම් minus minus plus තමයි. ඒ වෙන කතාව. ඒක shortcut එකක්. හැබැයි මෙතන minus 5x minus 3x කියන්නේ ගැහල ළමයි 5 දෙනෙක් පස්සේ ගැහල ළමයි 3 දෙනෙක් ඉන්නවා. ඔක්කොම ගැහල ළමයි 8 දෙනෙක් request කරලා දිනවා කියලා. minus කියන්නේ ගැහල. එහෙම හිතන්න. Right. Okay. From the first two terms we can bring x, then x minus 5. From the next two terms, I think, is it 3 or negative 3? Negative 3. Right? And the same expression must become somehow, but minus 3 is taken, the x is remain.
Minus 5.
Yes, plus divided by minus minus. And how many 3 times?
5.
5. And we can take x minus 5 bracket common and x minus 3 remain. Right? Okay, I just gave it. Right? Okay, now question number 14. I think there is 135. And x, and this is 90. Okay, what is this 135? What can you feel?
That's the exterior angle, so the interior angle is 45.
Yes, this is the exterior angle. We can form the interior angle as 45. Yes, really very good. And 45 plus x plus 90 will be 180. Okay, that's one of the methods. We can follow another method too. Exactly, we can consider this as exterior angle is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite. This is the second time of the day. 135 is equal to x plus 90. Okay. Therefore, x is equal to 135 minus 90. How did I get minus 90? Because plus 90 will be minus 90 to the other side. Then x equal 45 degrees. Are you okay? Exterior angle is equal to the sum of the, this is exterior angle, this is adjacent, but interior adjacent interior opposite sum angle. Sum of the interior opposite angle. Right? වෙනවනේ මේක හැදිස්ස වෙන එකක් හොඳට මතය ගන්න. exterior එක ළඟ එකට නෙමෙයි interior තියෙන opposite sum එකට එකතුවට equal කියන. ඕන ළඟ ලියන්න ලයිසන් තියෙනවා. ඉගෙන ගන්න එක. අනිත් ක්‍රමයක් හරි මේක 45 කියලා දාලා 45 plus x plus 90 is 180 කියලා දාලා බලන්න උත්තරේ එනවා. Right. What is the other one? 15. Easy question. Lamai, you know that when one is get 90, one is got 90, this is even 90. You know it because 180. Therefore, we can really write x plus 2x. What is x plus 2x? Equal 90. Or otherwise, you can write x plus 2x plus 90 equal 180 equal correct. ඔක්කොම තුන් දෙනාම එකට දාලා 180 ගන්නත් පුළුවන්. නැත්නම් එකක් 70ක් විතරක් ගන්න. x plus 2x equal 90 කියලා. ඒත් හරි. Then 3x equal 90. X equal 90 divided by 3. What is x? 30 degrees. Okay?
30.
Right. Last 5 questions. 16 to 20. Try. Finish. Okay, we'll see. Lamai. Question number 15, no, 16. 16th one is easy one. Then it's also regarding the interior angles of a triangle, Lamai. I think it's easy. 100 and 3x and x. Everybody knows this. X plus 3x plus the 100 equal 180. You can write it, right? 16th one is easy. And 4x because x and 3x. I don't go to write 100 in the left hand side because I'm supposed to bring this 100 to other side. It is minus 100. Then what is 4x? I think 80, right? And what is x? 80. Now I must take this 4, but 4 is a multiplier to the x. What is the inverse of multiplication? Division. Therefore, x equal to 20 degrees. So both sides divided by 4 also okay, right? Is 20. And the 17th question, right? The 17th question, you know, there's a parallelogram, right? In the parallelogram, you are going to get that 11 centimeter as a perpendicular height and 16 centimeter, right? Yes, really 176. Very good. Right. Lamai, area. Question asks about the area of the parallelogram. How to find the area? Right. To get this area, you have to use a formula. For a parallelogram, you don't write half. You have to write base. Base into height. That's all. Right. Base into height only. When there's a triangle, then you could have written half base side. But this time half doesn't come. Right? The base is 16, height is 11. The what is 16 times 11? 176. When you multiply by 11, you can follow short tricks. 176, right? You can follow short tricks. The 11 times you can multiply and get it come down to make a saman there, right? 16 දෙකතර දැම්මා. මේ මැද්ද දෙන්න ඇඩ් කරන්න. 176 11 ගෙන් විතරයිලා. නැත්නම් වැරදි. right there තව එකක් බලන්න මේ. 34 times 11. කොහොමද ආන්සර් එක ගන්න? 3 and 4 දෙපැත්තට ගන්න. What is the sum? 7. 374. එම ගත්තා. නැත්නම් මෙහෙමත් ගන්න පුළුවන්. 11 times 6 66 6 remaining. 11 times 1 11 and that 670 right. But remember to keep cos integer. Question 8 plus 3x is equal to 4 and 5. Right, is x4 very good. Right, Lamai, we had to make x the subject, but before that, we had to take this division for the other side. What is the inverse operation of division? Multiplication. Therefore, 8 plus 3x remaining. I can take this 4 as a multiplier to other side, 5 times 4. 5 times 4. But I am writing only 3x. And 5 times 4 is 20, you know. Below 5 times 4, I can write the answer. But I didn't write 8. Reason, I must take to other side. Then what is 3x? 3x equal 12. We can divide both sides by 3, bring other side. X equal 4, answer. Right? And question number 19. Right, 19th one. As a base 10 number. Can you remember last day when we discussed this? Right. How to convert base 2 as base 10? You have to write the power order. 2 to the power 0. Can you remember? 2 to the power 1. 2 to the power 2. 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 4. Into 1 into 0 into 1 into 0 into 1. Okay, what are the answers coming?
16, 4, 1.
Yeah. Okay, this is 2 to the power 0, 1. 1 times 1, 1. 2 to the power 1, 2, but 2 times 0 is 0. 2 to the power 2, 4. 4 times 1, 4. 2 to the power 3 is 8, but 8 times 0, 0. But 2 to the power 4, 2 dash, 2 dash, 2 dash, so 2 ya hata. Here, 16, 16. What is the final answer coming?
21.
21, very good. 21, 21, 10. This is the answer. Make simple m the subject, y equal mx plus c. Y equal mx plus c. To make m the subject, m must be in the left hand side. Therefore, you better rotate whole equation through the equal symbol. Then I will write left to right and right to left. දැන් අහන්න එපා ලකුණු මාරු වෙන්නේ නැද්ද කියලා අපි කලේ බොඩි එක කරකවපු එක. නැතුව y ව මෙහෙට ගත්තා නෙමෙයි. y ව මෙහෙට ගත්තොත් minus y නේ ඇත්තටම. mx c minus වෙන්න දෙපේ. එහෙම නෙමෙයි. අපි කලේ බොඩි එක කරකෙව්වා. කරකවද්දි ප්‍රශ්නයක් වෙන්නේ. ඒ කරකෙව්වේ we want to make m the subject. m must be in the left hand side. බොඩි එක මෙහෙම කරකෙව්වා. හරිද? හරි. Okay, to make m the subject බලන්න. මෙහා m ද තනි වෙන්න ඕනලු. m කියන තනි වෙන්න ඉඩ දෙන්න මටයි මගේ හිතටයි කියලා. කාටද කියන්නේ? m එකට ඉන්නව කවුද? x නේද? x කියනවා මට බෑ ඔයාව දාලා යන්න. මෙතන c අපි දිහා බලන් ඉන්නවා. එහෙනම් මොකද කරන්නේ? එහෙනම් මට තනි වෙන්න c ට යන්න කියන්නකෝ. එහෙනම් අපි c ට යන්න කියනවා. c ඉන්නේ සිස්ටම් එකත් එක්ක ඇඩිටිව් විදිහටද මල්ටිප්ලිකේටිව් විදිහටද c ඉන්නේ? c ඉන්නේ ඇඩිටිව් ඇඩිෂන් එක. plus then plus c here minus c then mx is remaining then m තමයි තනි කරන්න ඕනේ m ට ආවන තනි වෙන්න m ආයේ කියනවා එයාගේ හිතේ තනි වෙන්න ඉඩ දෙන්න මටයි මගේ හිතටයි ඒක x ඉන්නේ multiply කෙනෙක් හැටියට x multiply නම් අනිත් පැත්තට x ගේ multiplication inverse එක මොකක්ද divide එහෙනම් m තනි කරන්න x යනවා හැබැයි මුළු side එකම divided by x කියලා ලියන්න whole side should be divided by x not only y huh y විතරක් නෙමෙයි y minus c of x okay whole side should be divided by x දැන් m උන තනි වෙනවා m is subject m equal y minus c over x හරිද We completely discussed this paper today, right? But what are the things that we remind through the paper? Round off a number. How to round off a number? I introduce you high digits, low digits. Can you remember? When high digits are there, one is added to next number, but low digits are removed without any. Okay. And in the second question, probability I gave you. Probability can you probability? Then because the number of chances out of the total chances. Okay. And that simplification, you know, algebraic fraction. When you go to subtract, especially when there are two things, two cases, two terms in an expression, please keep a bracket and remove the bracket. You can get the answer. And the bearing problems I reminded you. Bearings problem, then can you remember always you have to rotate towards the clockwise. Clockwise means I told you always the cut and the path here, right? Bearings. But you have to always get the support with the north line to bring the bearing. Bearing is an angle. Okay, and inequalities. I told you as equation you have to solve inequalities and you have to keep a dot and show the direction shading the line around. And discount percentages I gave you, right? You can remember percentage. When discount problems are there, if they are 10% or 5%, you always ask, can't we have a 100% discount? Then you can feel everything. Then because of that 10%, you feel only 90% you should somehow pay. That's how you can enter the question. And second question, Pythagoras. I introduced you hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is the one make subject in one side and other two squares in the other side. By using that, you can find the answers. And geometry gave you the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of what? Two interior opposite angles. Exterior angle is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. 2 times I introduced this. And probability I gave, and alternate angles I reminded you, and sum of the interior angles and the triangle. And in this as power of power, I could remind you today. Power of power, there's a multiplication and how to divide the equal bases with powers. You know that the subtraction, we practice that. And in term, we can know the general term, common term can be known as term number n, right? Term n, right? I got that, like I substitute. And factors of quadratic expressions I introduced. What do you mean by quadratic? I highlighted that. Quadratic means every expression, any expression, if there is a term like x square, n square, like p square, like that will be a quadratic and quadratic expression when there are several terms in addition to that. Okay, quadratic. Right, in quadratic expression, how to factorize, I told you, you have to get aside the back term. You have to find the factors of the back terms having and involve with the mid-term request. If the last term is positive, you know, plus, plus or minus, minus. If the last term is minus, plus, minus or minus, plus. Can you remember? Right. And area of a parallelogram, I reminded you. What is that? Base into height. Base into height. And number bases, you can remember, right? To convert to the base 10, you have to start with this 2 to the power 0 to 2 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, so on, right? Multiply by the relevant numbers, you can get the base 10 number, right? To make something the subject, then you have to ask to make B alone, right? That's why you have to remove the terms according to that. And positive C was fine, negative C, and multiplication was division. That is the result, right? Right, now I did practice. Next Tuesday TV class again, and Wednesday ඔයගලන්ගේ paper class එක අර vouchers case එක තාම valid එක්කෙනෙක් නම් මට එහෙම vouchers ගත්ත දෙන්නෙක් introduce කරලා, right? නම් කියන්න ඕනේ නැහැනේ, right? එහෙනම් අනිත් පැත්තට වෙලා තියෙනවා. අපේ vouchers එක ගෝලිය දීපුවර තමයි තියෙනවා, right? අර ගෝලිය අපේ අවුරුද්දේම vouchers තමයි දෙන්නේ. කට්ටිය එක දැනගෙන ඉතිලා. ඒවා තමයි ඔයගලන්ට අහුව රිටර්න් කරන්න tag උතුම් tag කියන. right? එහෙනම් තමයි මම කියවනේ එක තව කියන්න දෙන්න, right? එහෙනම් ඔයගලන්ට පුළුවන් ඒක ඔන්න ඉන්දියාවේ ඉන්නවනේ ඉන්ට්‍රොඩියුස් කරලා ඔයගලන්ට පුළුවන් ඒවත් ඕනනම් ගන්න, right? සහ අලුතට vouchers හම්බුනා නැත්නම් ඉන්ට්‍රොඩියුස් කරන්න හොඳ ක්ලාස් එකක් නම් ඒක ඔයගලන්ට වර්ධි